We arrived. Right, I arrived at Pontianak, and the thing is, this this airport, they don't have any buses to get into the center of the city, so plan is just walk there. Let's go. Kind of small airport anyway. Isn't it beautiful? Supayo International Airport, I guess. Let's hit the road. A museum. Let's get inside then. Tiny houses, boat, and just play to chill out. Okay, that's it for the museum. Nothing much. So why, man? The walking street is pretty nice. Many trees. Easy to walk. Even it's hard, but yeah, still very chilled. Was it a really nice place? I think it's weekend. I think it's weekend today, so the families just have their kids outside enjoying the day. Nice. Holy cow! Look at that. Another crazy huge mosque. Oh, let's try to get inside and wait. Yo, I'm at the masjid. Usually in Sarawak. It's it's massive. It's massive. But the thing is, I'm wearing shorts right now, so maybe I'm not allowed to get inside. Well, let's just take a look. Closer look. I really don't think I can get inside. You see those men, they you see none of them wearing shorts. Holy cow. Nothing but a bridge. Look at the kids. Oh, he's naked. It's fantasy lands for kids, I guess. Pamela Mas. Dinosaur. Look at how ruthless this truck is. We don't care. Of course we don't. Yo, I met Malik and Lenny in Pontianak. Yeah, they gave me a lift here in Tajan. Yeah. Very long distance, so thank you for that. Terima kasih.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, I arrived Tajan. Spend time to editing video. At the coffee shop. See, I think this is a good view. Look around.